When ChatGPT says your CV is ATS friendly, it doesn't mean that your CV is going to pass the ATS system. Let me explain why. Now let's talk about this. My CVs are tailored by ChatGPT, and according to ChatGPT, they are ATS friendly, but I've been getting rejection left and right. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT and let's talk about ATS systems, because this is where a lot of people don't understand something. ATS stands for applicant tracking systems, right? These are systems, but there's hundreds of systems out there. Companies use different ATS systems. Some of them are old, some of them are new, some of them are way advanced, including having AI capabilities. Now, when ChatGPT says your CV is ATS friendly, it basically means that your CV is readable by ATS systems. It means that your CV can be parsed, your CV can be read, and context can be extracted. But does that mean that your CV is going to pass on that ATS based on how that particular job description has been set? It doesn't mean that. So let's talk about how it works, because I also have a system that I use to check for the ATS score for your CV, right? It's not 100% guaranteed, but it does give you an idea of how relevant your CV is as compared to that job that you're applying to, right? You first of all need to understand that ChatGPT is only going to give back what you give it, right? Remember, it's artificial intelligence. It only learns from you, right? So you need to feed it information. If you do not feed it enough information, it might not even create the best CV for you. And I'm talking from experience. I've done hundreds of CV reviews and I know what I'm talking about. A lot of people's CVs are just a copy and paste of the job description. And copying and pasting your job description on ChatGPT and thinking that ChatGPT is going to produce a unique CV, forget about it. You're going to get a generic CV. Basically, you and all the other people that have the same job description as you are going to have the exact same CV. And this is why you need to put in your own unique data, your own unique achievements, your own unique KPIs, your own unique numbers. If you've managed 10 people, tell ChatGPT you managed 10 people and these were the deliverables. This is the outcome. This is the impact. This is how much money you saved the company. This is how you improved customer service. This is how your ratings, your customer rating score, what do they call it, improved. This is how you saved the company time. This is, show your own impact. That's the only way you're going to get unique data. And also tell ChatGPT which systems, which tools, which softwares, which frameworks do you use at your job. A lot of you, again, do not include this information. That means your CV is generic. So therefore, some ATS systems are so advanced that they don't only look at your job description or the keywords. They don't just look at keywords. Even if you stuff as many keywords as you want, they look for context. They want to see when you say you have used SQL as a programming language, on your experience section, did you include somewhere where you've used that programming language on your CV, and what was the result of you using that language? If you're saying you've used Power BI, what exactly did you do? That's what they want to see. So, just using ChatGPT alone and not giving proper context becomes a problem like that. Provide unique data. Make sure that you also try to use other tools like, for example, JobScan, and check how tailored is your CV as compared to that job description. I've done it so many times. I've taken people's CVs like this where they're like, Anna, I did it with ChatGPT. It's very ATS friendly. And I take the CV, run it together with the job description, and a lot of CVs only gets to 40%. You need up to 70%, I think 75%, to at least pass. So there's a lot of things that people don't add. This includes the targeted job title. The targeted job title lowers your ranking. If you just add a targeted job title, your ranking goes even higher. If you have numbers in your CV, right, quantifiable impact, your ranking even goes higher. If you hit all the right technical skills and soft skills and hard skills, your ranking even goes higher. If you write the number of years of experience you have and it matches the job description, your ranking goes even higher. So there's multiple things that literally, even the formatting, the way you write the dates, there's a lot.